Dr. Mukul, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, it's my privilege to join the Leader of the House in congratulating the newly elected Deputy Speaker, Mr. Timothy D. Shirana. And it gives me pleasure in sharing my thoughts on him, having had the privilege to be member of this August House for a long, long time, and having known him so closely as member of this August House. And even before I entered politics as a student, Mr. Timothy D. Shirana, one of the most respected and revered person in Reshu Belpara area. When I was a student, I remember the overall engagement and the resultant narrative thereof pertaining to two leaders. One was our former Chief Minister, Mr. S. Simarak, and the other one, Mr. Timothy D. Shirana. And how people's aspirations and hopes used to revolve around these two persons, in as far as the North Garo Hills is concerned. Of course, that time it was not North Garo Hills, but we always refer to that particular area as Salgro Zone, Salgro, the northern part of Garo Hills, which is considered as the gateway of knowledge and enlightenment for Garo Hills. Because both the center of learning and Christianity entered Garo Hills through that part of Garo Hills. And so they used to be in the forefront in as far as Garo Hills is concerned. Even today, the people of this region of Garo Hills cherish these memories and probably look at restoration of this past glory. And I would like to share something which I heard when I frequented that part of Garo Hills as a student. So when the people of that area spoke about these leaders, the way people respected, had a kind of reverence towards these leaders. So I heard people, not just one person telling me that you don't speak ill of Mr. Timothy D. Shirana here. I heard it as a student. I heard it as I entered politics, and I continue to remember it. And therefore, you have never heard me speaking ill of Mr. Timothy D. Shirana, in spite of the temptations and pulls and pushes of the politics. So here we have him, one of the most revered person, respected person, as our honored Deputy Speaker, once again elected unanimously. And I'll be privileged to have him sitting this side of the House. And therefore, it also gives us reasons to acknowledge the fact that the Deputy Speaker who sits on the left side of the Speaker's chair is considered as the bridge between the opposition and the ruling. We are very happy to have him as our Deputy Speaker. Once again, my heartiest congratulations on being elected to this august office of Honorable Deputy Speaker. It's a repetition of last term. I'm happy that you choose to occupy this august office again. And because even while as a Deputy Speaker last time, it was an enriching experience for me when I took some time out to have an audience with our newly elected Deputy Speaker and the then Deputy Speaker. His hospitality, his promptness to share his thoughts, his wisdom, it has always been an enriching experience. We look forward for similar kind of experiences in the days ahead, in the months ahead, and I sincerely pray that our gracious Almighty God will shower upon you and your family all His choicest blessings, that you remain healthy and happy and remain available for all of us, and optimally deliver that you want to for your beloved people by optimally utilizing the office that you occupy. May you fulfill your purpose for the glory of God and His kingdom. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Charles Pungro, please.